Okay, we got another Treehouse chat. I'm doing a bunch of them, but I gotta, preface them all because they're all gonna be different videos. Nice day. It's not very high. I don't know, maybe 10 feet. And it swings. I got the carpet, but look at all the mess, even with the tarp. Well, this one screwed up, but I gotta get a vacuum cleaner up here. Okay, driving tip. It's a driving tip one. I know you guys love these driving tips. And this is the watch for pedestrians, or let's see, let's call this pedestrian watch. Okay, this comes in play when you are, let's make a road. Let's make an intersection. And this is a multi, like a 4-lane, okay? So, you come to a stop, and here's a car. And let's say you're in this car, right? And you're going to make a right turn. Be real careful because, well, there's a crosswalk, okay? Somebody could be walking along here. And you're looking this way to make the turn, and they can get right in front of you. And you can't see them because of this car. See what I mean? So, be careful when you make a right turn on a multi-lane, that you make sure, like, you pull up real slow and make sure there's nobody walking here, crossing the street before you make your turn. Okay, that's it. It's a short one. It's a quickie, but you get the idea, right? Because I almost hit somebody one time, actually a few times, because you're looking this way to turn. You're not looking over here, and if somebody's walking, all of a sudden they're in front of your fucking car, and you hit them, and you run them over. Then you got to pay their funeral expenses and shit. All right, that's it. Onward and upward. I got a whole bunch of other ones that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do a bunch of them in one sitting here, but each one of them is gonna be a different video. But isn't this nice up here? Look at this. Okay, that's it. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.